Last week, we took you with us on a spectacular paved drive to view magnificent red rock vistas, an amazing river canyon, and an incredible overlook. If you're new here, we're Mark and Paula. Last week's drive was a last-minute find on a rainy day. This week, we're showing you how to expand that very scenic drive to include some easy off-roading that extends all the way into one of Colorado's lesser-known gems, the town of Gateway. The drive begins at Bull Canyon Overlook and takes you over the mountains before descending into John Brown Canyon, before entering Gateway. Enjoy.
Peering out through splintered sunlight, all the earth she'll gaze upon. When you wake while you lie sleeping, when the working day is done. Through the windy, wild and barren, over mountain pass once more, I would sail the wide blue ocean if it would land me on your shore. Weary eyes, come look upon her, leave your troubles at her feet. When you're called unto the yonder to sing the joyful chorus sweet. All the earthly flowers are blooming in her everlasting light. 'Tis the time to greet the morning. Come now, step out of the Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you let me in? You and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. Daybreak, the shadows fade. You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken, nothing new. Only the sunrise. Over you and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. Just for a moment more, be close to you. We'll always have that one night. We'll always have that sunrise.
Next week, we'll show you 30 miles of camping and more along the Colorado Riverway Recreation Area in Moab, Utah. Make sure to check out all of our Utah adventures. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss an episode.